Hello everybody, this is Catherine Sirisut, and I am so excited to talk to you today about the importance of what we call contralateral movement. So this is when an opposite arm and leg move. So this is how we're actually designed to move easily when we walk. There is another form of movement that is called homolateral movement, which is when the same arm and same leg move. So let's just, if you're standing up, you can try this with me. If not, just watch the video. You'll still get the information, but I'd love you to stand up and try this. So if we walk and we swing the same arm and leg forward as we go, there's a certain amount of awkwardness about it. It doesn't feel very flowy. So sometimes we have injuries or things happen and we start walking that way, but we're actually designed, we're not going to go into this too much, but to have the opposite arm go forward of the leg that's forward. So if I backed up, same thing. We're not going to be talking about walking today though. What we're going to be doing is playing with our ability to use contralateral movement to kind of restore or support our ability to balance as we move and to strengthen the opposite sides of our bodies. But at the same time, this magical thing happens. Contralateral movement literally kind of weaves together the two hemispheres of the brain. It's just amazing. So by just doing this, you're helping yourself. And if you have the opportunity to do it with music, which we're not going to do right now in this video, really, really helpful. So we're going to do the balance practice today. So the importance of this is to just find the alignment of your legs supporting you while you're standing and moving contralaterally. So place your feet underneath your hip sockets so everything's in a line. We're not going to do this with our legs too far apart because we want to have no extra stress on the inside or outside muscles of our legs. We want the bones in alignment. Okay, so here we are. Now, if everybody rocks their weight onto their right leg, okay, I want you to roll up your left foot and then stand really tall. Okay, roll that left foot down. Let's do that again. Rock your weight onto the right leg, stand tall, roll up the left foot and lift your right arm and feel how tall you can get, and then let the left heel come to the floor, the right arm comes down, the weight's on both legs. Let's try that one more time on that side. Rock your weight to the right, lifting the right arm and the left heel. Stretch up, everyone, and exhale if you took a breath and release that. Okay, shake that out a little bit. Let's try the other side. Shift your weight to the left and roll up that right heel. The left arm is going to come up, reach up, feel tall, and let that arm come down as the right heel comes to the floor. Let's do that again. Shift your weight to the left. Left arm goes up as the right heel comes up. Now notice I'm keeping the toes on the floor the whole time I'm doing this. Right? We're not practicing our balance yet. Let the arm and the heel come down. Let's do that one more time. Shift your weight. Arm comes up, the opposite heel comes up. Now really stretch long. Find the length of your spine. Find that balance over that standing leg. Arm comes down, weight goes back into both heels. Switch that out. Okay. So we've been doing contralateral movement, but we've been doing it on the same diagonal, either right arm and left leg or left arm and left leg. Now we're going to switch back and forth, and this is where we start doing that amazing magical repatterning of our brain, and we're creating a new neural pathways that will help us in all aspects of our life. The key to this is we're going to do it easy and slow, because the slower we can do it, the more we strengthen our body and the more we are able to override our old patterning that we might have. We might all be stronger on doing this on one side than the other, so we want to override that. So we're going to do 3 complete sets very slowly. So stand tall, relax your shoulders, See if you can put on a smile. And here we go. Shift your weight to the right. As the right arm goes up, lift up the left heel. Now see if you can lift the toes off the floor a little bit. Inhale up. Exhale, put that foot back down on the floor, roll it down. Now we're going to switch sides. The right goes to the left arm goes up. Roll up that right heel, and then lift the right toes off the floor. Arm goes up. Inhale, 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 exhale. Whoo, come down. Now, don't step any wider than your hips. Keep those feet in. Shift your weight right arm goes up, and the left heel comes up. Now, see if you can lift those toes up a little further. This is like a very slow march in place. Come back down, weight in both heels. Keep that smile if you can. Weight goes over to the left arm goes up. Lifting those right toes off the floor. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, come down. Let's do that one more time. Shift your weight to the right arm goes up slowly. Now don't lift those toes up if you can't keep your balance. You can stay right here and still get the benefits. See, I just lost my balance. That's a good thing because I regained it. That's what we're practicing here, how to regain our balance. Arm and foot come to the floor. One more time. Shift your weight to the left arm comes up, right heel comes up. Lift the foot up if you can. If you can't, leave the toes on the floor. Take a deep breath, stretch long, exhale. Arm comes down. Now, close your eyes, take a couple of breaths. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. Two more breaths. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. Sigh it out. Shake those knees, soften your belly. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. Okay, open your eyes. Thank you so much. We're going to try one more thing. So now that you've practiced your balance, we're going to do a contralateral movement that's just a little bit faster and more just about our brain. So this will help getting our body twisting the way it needs to twist when we walk. Okay? So here we go. Shift your weight to the right and lift your left foot, touch that thigh. Put the left foot down, shift the weight, touch the right thigh. And let's go a little faster. Touch your thigh. Now notice, I'm not stepping way out to the side and moving side to side like I'm in a dance aerobics class. My feet are underneath me so I can stay tall, and this uses all of your core muscles along your spine as you march in place and touch that opposite thigh. Let the shoulders twist a little more. Let that happen. Beautiful. Let's do 2 more sets. 1 and 2. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Take a deep breath. Spread your arms into a V for victory. Oh, tickle your aura, moving those fingertips. Let those arms float down. Stand comfortably. Take another deep breath. Beautiful. I invite you to practice contralateral movement in both forms, practicing it slowly to work with your balance, because working with our balance is a very important thing to do, but the slower we can do it, the more strength you will muster or create in your core. And then once again, doing it a little bit faster so that you can practice that natural movement of the hip and shoulder relationship twisting as you move, because that supports walking forward, doot, doot, and walking back, back, back. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful rest of your day. This is Catherine Sirisut. Thank you for taking this time to honor your sacred vessel, your body. Namaste.